Today, we're diving into the world of LIANLI's O11DE-2W upright GPU kit, designed specifically for the O11 Dynamic EVO chassis. This accessory aims to revolutionize your GPU setup, offering a new mounting angle that not only enhances aesthetics but also optimizes airflow for improved cooling performance. With its innovative design, it opens up possibilities for unrestricted chimney-style configurations, allowing you to unleash the full potential of your high-performance graphics card. Let's talk about the build quality. LIANLI, known for its premium craftsmanship, doesn't disappoint here. The mounting frame and support frame are sturdy and well-built, ensuring stability for your precious GPU. The dimensions are carefully considered, fitting seamlessly within the O11 Dynamic EVO chassis without compromising on space or functionality. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included PCIe 4.0 riser cable and comprehensive instructions. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a newcomer, you'll find the process straightforward and hassle-free. Once installed, the upright GPU configuration not only looks fantastic but also provides easier access to your components for maintenance or upgrades. One of the standout features of this kit is its compatibility with NVIDIA GPUs, ensuring broad support for a wide range of graphics cards. Whether you're gaming, content creation, or tackling intensive workloads, you can trust that your GPU will perform at its best with the O11DE-2W upright GPU kit. In terms of performance, the chimney-style configuration proves to be effective in dissipating heat, keeping temperatures in check even during demanding tasks. This translates to smoother gameplay, faster rendering times, and overall improved system stability. Overall, the LIANLI O11DE-2W upright GPU kit is a game-changer for enthusiasts looking to elevate their PC build. Its sleek design, sturdy construction, and enhanced cooling capabilities make it a must-have accessory for anyone seeking the best performance and aesthetics for their rig. If you're ready to take your graphics experience to the next level, look no further than the O11DE-2W upright GPU kit from LIANLI. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.